having your own money is a major step towards becoming more responsible. It is also a great way to buy the things you want or need so that you don't have to borrow money from your parents. Finding work as a teenager can be easy if you look in the right places and have persistence. Here's some ways to make some money seeking local employment. 1. Become a dog walker. If you like animals, many families who own pets and are gone for long hours of the day need people who can come tend to their animals. You can charge a certain rate for each visit you make, or a weekly rate. Remember to always be reliable so you can gain a great reputation and get hired by more families. 2. Babysit for family, friends, or neighbors. Let those around you know you are looking to start babysitting and ask them to help you spread the word about your services. Make flyers that include a little bit about yourself, what type of work you are looking for, and have your contact information. To help you get more babysitting jobs, take a babysitting class at your local hospital, recreation center, or Red Cross. You will be issued a certificate that states you have been properly trained to watch over children. Just to know, Red Cross centers are the most trusted in babysitter training. More people will want to hire you if you have been trained to be safe and reliable. 3. Tutor students in subjects you're strong in. If you're good at certain school subjects and can help others succeed, make a job out of it. Parents everywhere are looking for reliable tutors who can help their children succeed. Tutoring centers can be very costly, and many families are looking to pay less money. You can have a competitive advantage by charging less money to tutor students. Ask for no more than $10 per session and make sure you're teaching them correctly and patiently. 4. Give music lessons if you play an instrument. Being able to play an instrument is a very valuable skill that you can profit on by teaching others how to play. Tell your family and friends to take lessons from you and charge an hourly rate. You can also create flyers that include your contact information and what instrument you play so people can reach out to you. Giving music lessons can be very lucrative because it can take many lessons to teach someone how to play an instrument. 5. Get a job at the local businesses in your town. There are many jobs in your town that you can try to work at. You can apply to be a host at a restaurant, work at a clothing retailer, or stock food at a grocery store, as young as 14 to 15 years old depending on the place of employment. Some places will ask for a worker's permit, so be sure to have one ready. Depending on your age, there are laws that restrict you from working too many hours in a day or week. Check the U.S. Department of Labor website to learn about the maximum number of hours you can work and the places you are allowed to work. I hope you found those tips useful. Thank you for watching.